Hi everyone, so we're here at Animal Kingdom and we're trying to check out the Joey Chou collection, so come along.
Let's go.
So to start off with, we have the jerseys and it has Dumbo and then the Cheshire Cat.
Yeah.
And then in the back, I feel it.
Oh, you got that? Yeah, you got the castle there.
You got the castle, of course, Mickey and Minnie, and Walt Disney World. Look at that. And if you're not a fan of that, of course, they would have a jean jacket.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Like patches? It's got patches on it.
Patches. So if you like to collect patches, this is your chance. And in the back of the jacket, you have this one, which is cute because it has Pluto and Mickey and all the fireworks, the castle. I don't think Minnie's there, but it's the whole Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
And it's like cute.
It's cute.
And of course, Dooney and Burke.
Of course.
And they have, that's a wallet and that's the shirt. That's the shirt.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, it's like a
For the garden, yeah.
vinyl figurine. No, it's just a figurine.
Okay. Like a
It is
conversation piece. It's
A
conversation.
conversation piece.
Yeah.
You put that in your desk.
And then this, I
The
guess.
plates.
Yeah, and then here are the patterns. So if you're wondering how they look.
And these are like the designs of it, I guess.
Yeah.
It is adorable though. It has the designer like on the back.
Mm-hmm.
And then
The bowls, of course.
bowls. They're not machine washable, so
Yeah.
don't put it on the washer, please.
And here are the designs of the bowls in case you're wondering how they look.
And then at the end, they have that.
Which are trays, yeah.
Yeah. For tea.
And then obviously we got here the mugs,
Yep.
which
Because you don't need any, but are you going to buy them? Yes. And this one will cost you, sorry,
$19.99.
$19.99. Oh, not so bad.
Got the sippers here, which got
Yeah.
the little cap on the top with the little.
That is adorable.
And this is for the candles, right?
Yeah, you put a candle inside and it like lights up and show. And then these are for the kids. They have their own little plaid. You can also buy the ears, but if you want to protect them from the sun, they have that.
Yeah.
And they have a sweatshirt, a shirt for the little girls, a shirt, t-shirt with back
Yeah,
and
they got
stitch
face mount and stitch.
for the boys and or girls, whoever wants it. And then this is like everybody.
Yeah.
It is cute. That is cute.
Yeah, it is.
Now we have, of course, the jacket with
That design in the back. Yeah. That one seems to have more characters on it.
yeah.
It's got the orange, even got the orange bird here and
Because
everything.
it's the same one as the shirt of the kids.
Gotcha.
The kids' shirt. And then this is the sweatpants combined.
This is the side of the
It
castle,
has the
yeah.
castle and Tinkerbell, and on the back it doesn't have anything.
nothing
So
on the back.
that's it. This is a adult T-shirt with Mickey and Minnie.
That's cute. On the teacups.
Yeah.
The ears, of course. And you got these beautiful bags.
Lounge fly.
Lounge fly. With the lounge fly logo on the side, not on the front. That's great. It's like a 3D effect to it. You see.
Yeah. So cute.
And hats they already saw.
That's for adults though.
Yeah. Oh, the hat's for adults.
Yeah. Look at that one. I like
That's
this
cute.
one. That is the tiki room, and Minnie is the skipper camp.
Yeah, this, the skipper.
The skipper.
Skipper for the
Jungle Cruise. So cute. Well, make sure you check it out here at Animal Kingdom. I bet they have it at Magic Kingdom too at Emporium. So make sure you check out this collection.